So we're here in Wroclaw at the main train station, and today we're headed to a small Polish village, all because of this woman right here. Apparently there's a folk concert or folk festival going on. And how'd you find out about this?
From another man from another event.
So in other words, we don't know if this is actually going to be a thing that's going to happen. Okay, so it looks like we are leaving at 17:47. 5:47 for my Americans. I'm telling you, you have to love train stations. Like, there's just something about so many people being here and just like, I don't know, it just feels like a huge community of people going different places. When you come to Europe, make sure you get your train ticket in advance so you're not just standing like all of us, and all because of her. She likes this. I am not 18 no more, and I rather buy a seat so that I can feel a lot better. But I guess that's the whole experience here in
It's a Polish
Europe.
experience.
All right, so I guess the good thing about having to stand up is you do have to talk to other people. So you said you're Polish, right?
Yeah.
So what would you tell people if they're coming to Poland, like what to expect?
But I wouldn't, when it comes to like meeting new people, most people are really welcoming, especially for foreigners that come here just for a vacation. But you have to be aware of the fact that Polish people, when it comes to like smiling and like affection, they are more reserved. So when you just crossing them across the street, just, they're moving by, they wouldn't smile. It doesn't mean that they are not happy. That's the way they are.
By the way, I'm Davion.
Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
All right, so we finally made it to up. This place right here. Well, she's in charge. How do you say it?
Rawicz.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I really, really do love it when train stations and small towns are like nice buildings. Like, it just adds so much more character to that small town village. But I guess, I don't know, town of 21,000 people, would that be a city, town? I'm not sure. Let me know. Okay, I guess Paula was right. There is a festival going on. And I don't know, there's something about not knowing what they're saying to where you can truly just feel the music. And yes, there's people here living their best life. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I can't believe I'm out here in Poland right now. People are dancing, just enjoying, having a good time. Like, leave the big towns and come to a small village and you can experience all of this. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I didn't really know what to expect when coming to a small town here in Poland and then listening to music. People really are dancing out here, living their best life. And this is why I'm telling y'all, leave Wrocław, leave Warsaw, leave Dallas, Texas, go to smaller towns and experience all of this. And then of course, cheers. Wait, what's the word again? Huh? And of course, Nostrovia. Okay, no lie, y'all cannot tell me that that last part was not the most beautiful thing you've ever heard. Like, just the violin playing. Okay, first things first, that festival, honestly unreal. The fact that I really didn't know what was going on made it just come more to life. And then listening to a violin play, people dancing around, people in love and dancing. And then just the kids being pure kids and just doing whatever they want to on the dance floor and just moving in. Man, can we just appreciate how beautiful this town hall is? I'm telling y'all, y'all really do need to leave the bigger cities in whatever country you come from and then just admire the beauty. And you know, apparently, when it comes to Poland and folk music, there's a lot more going on. So you got to tell us, Paula, like, what's going on out there?
Well, at the festival, they were playing folk music specifically from this region.
Okay.
Yeah, and each region has their own style.
You know, what's crazy is she's from America, and one day she was just like, you know what? I really have been thinking about going to Poland and she just pulled the trigger and decided to come to Poland and become an online teacher when it comes to English. How do you feel about Poland so far? Because I feel like Poland is such a hidden gem, but not a hidden gem.
I think it's a hidden gem that I don't want to be get revealed.
Hey, y'all heard it here first. An American really decided to move from America to honestly a beautiful country like this. Like, they really don't make the town halls like this just anywhere. I'm telling y'all, you have to come to Poland. Come to a small town. My name is Davion West. I don't know where I'm headed to next, but I know I'm getting on this train right here. Follow me to 196 countries.